Is the blue truck yours? The blue truck? That one. They're right there. Yeah, yeah. It's yours? We do videos offering people free paint jobs for their car. Oh. Oh, from standing it?
Yeah, I'd love to do something like that.
Long time no see.
Yeah,
How you been?
I've been good.
Yeah? You excited?
It's more than excited. Yeah, I'm nervous.
I'm gonna have you put this blindfold on, okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
I got you.
Wow. Are you kidding me? It's the same truck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously?